The electric vehicle market has grown significantly in the past 10 years and continues to improve in cost and efficiency. But with EV cars comes the risk of EV car fires. Naperville Firefighters Daniel Pagnitis and Michael Jost realized they needed tools to combat those fires.
We wanted to be prepared in case we were to show up at 2 in the morning, cut the garage door open to a structure fire and realize, oh, this is a Tesla that's on fire, that's charging, and that was the origin of the structure fire. What are we doing as a first-in truck company to extinguish and to put out this electric vehicle fire?
In response, they designed the Poseidon nozzle. It attaches to a fire hose and is slid under a vehicle to pump water into the undercarriage to combat thermal runaway.
If you open up like a Tesla battery pack, it looks like 8,000 AA cells, right? So once like one of those batteries starts going bad, it starts heating up, and then it starts spreading to the next one and to the next one. And at that point too, during thermal runaway, you'll hear some popping, you'll hear hissing. Those are the beginning stages of it. And then some of the late stages of thermal runaway is you'll start seeing like jet flames coming out the side. Nothing we're used to in the fire service.
Though the fires are dangerous, the risk of an EV fire is low compared to internal combustion vehicles and hybrid vehicles, with 25 EVs catching fire for every 100,000 sold, whereas more than 1,500 internal combustion engine vehicles catch fire for every 100,000 sold.
The hazards can start coming when you're in a parking garage. You have all these other cars exposed to this one electric vehicle fire that's on fire. Your situation now increases dramatically from a single vehicle car fire to now an electric vehicle car fire with 6 other cars that are now caught on fire on the 3rd floor of a parking garage.
The creation of the Poseidon nozzle didn't happen overnight.
I happen to be learning how to weld and through a lot of different prototypes and a lot of different research and design and questions and trial and error, we ended up coming up with this.
The first iteration of it was crazy. It was probably like 100 pounds. It was just unmanageable.
The Poseidon nozzle is currently available for fire departments all over, but Pagnitis and Jost aren't done yet.
It's not just Naperville trying to figure out a solution, but we have mutual aid departments, and we worked with Argonne Laboratories to get more data. So our fire department worked with their fire department, and then we reached out to University of Illinois, and the University of Illinois is like, this is something we've been waiting for, but we haven't been able to figure out how to get these batteries. So it's kind of been an awesome group effort to kind of come alongside this.
The Poseidon nozzle can be used for more than just EV fires.
We also can use this for internal combustion cars. So if there's a fire coming from the engine, but there's still somebody trapped in it, we could still use this to put underneath the vehicle to start putting out that fire while we're taking care of the patient. Cancer is a big problem right now at the fire service. And so we're trying to get rid of all the carcinogens and everything. So connect a hose to this, connect it to a hydrant, get all the stuff off you. It's a multi-purpose tool.
For Naperville News 17, I'm Carl Schultz.